Hello, and welcome to Scenario. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic that has been a subject of debate and discussion in India for decades. The Uniform Civil Code. This proposed set of personal laws aims to provide equal rights and justice to all citizens, irrespective of their religion. So, let's dive right into it. The issue of the Uniform Civil Code has resurfaced in India's political discourse, particularly due to the plight of Muslim women affected by personal laws. Many of them have approached the Supreme Court, seeking protection of their fundamental equality and freedom in accordance with constitutional provisions. But what exactly is the Uniform Civil Code? The Uniform Civil Code proposes to replace personal laws based on religious scriptures and customs with a set of rules common to all citizens of India. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, a directive principle of state policy, directs the state to secure a uniform civil code for all citizens throughout the territory of India, with the particular goal of achieving gender justice. The object behind Article 44 is to integrate India by bringing all communities on a common platform for matters not forming the essence of any religion. The Supreme Court has repeatedly stressed the importance of a uniform civil code for national integration, regretting that Article 44 has remained largely unimplemented. Let's understand why Article 44 is needed and what the court has said on the matter. In a diverse society like India, the Constitution's guiding principles aim to promote unity among people of different denominations. A uniform civil code is seen as a step towards a strong and consolidated nation. The Supreme Court has rejected several attempts to challenge personal laws based on constitutional principles, but it has also expressed the urgency to achieve uniformity in personal laws. Notably, the landmark Shah Bano case highlighted the responsibility of a Muslim husband to maintain his divorced wife beyond the period of iddat, invoking the secular Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code. The judgment in this case led to the enactment of the Muslim Women Act in 1986, which was challenged in the Daniel Latifi case. While upholding the act's validity, the Supreme Court called for a fresh look at Article 44 and its implementation to achieve both protection for the oppressed and promotion of national unity and integrity. Despite these judicial reminders and directives, the progress towards a uniform civil code has been slow, with successive governments hesitant to take concrete steps. The lack of consensus among communities and the fear of infringing on religious freedom have contributed to the delay. However, the Supreme Court has consistently advocated for a uniform civil code to achieve national integration and eliminate contradictions based on ideologies. But is the implementation of a uniform civil code the need of the hour to ensure national integration? Now, let's delve deeper into the urgent need for its implementation. More than 65 years after independence, India still faces significant socio-economic challenges, such as lack of access to basic necessities like drinking water, electricity, and education for all. Corruption continues to be a pressing issue, and millions of citizens struggle to escape the clutches of poverty. Amidst these challenges, the need for a uniform civil code becomes even more crucial as it addresses issues of gender equality, marital rights, inheritance, and more that cut across religious lines. One of the significant steps towards achieving a uniform civil code is the recent Supreme Court ruling that all marriages, irrespective of religion, must be compulsorily registered. This ruling aims to prevent child marriages, check bigamy and polygamy, and empower women to exercise their rights under marriage, maintenance, custody of children, and inheritance. However, despite the court's direction, the full implementation of a uniform civil code remains a challenge. Critics argue that enforcing a uniform civil code might infringe upon the freedom of religion and may be seen as tyrannical to minority communities. Yet, the Constitution emphasizes the importance of these principles for governance and calls upon the state to apply them while making laws. Goa's Civil Code, derived from the Portuguese civil procedure law, serves as a useful starting point for a uniform civil code as it treats all communities equally. A true spirit of secularism and mutual respect among all communities is essential to promote the uniform civil code's acceptance. The Supreme Court's repeated reminders to the government show the urgency of this issue for national integration and eliminating contradictions. However, progress remains slow due to the lack of consensus among communities and reluctance from successive governments. To achieve a uniform civil code, we must collectively strive for social awareness, tolerance, and unity among the diverse fabric of India. It is imperative to build a climate that fosters acceptance of change and a genuine commitment to national integration. In conclusion, the Uniform Civil Code is not just a legal matter, but a significant step towards forging a strong and integrated nation. Let us work together to promote equality, justice, and unity for all citizens of India. Thank you for joining us in this special presentation. Stay tuned for more informative content on important topics.